On the most food-centric day of the year, breakfast often gets overlooked. But whether it's to fuel your family's Thanksgiving 5K or a backyard game of football, start the day off right with these festive, nutrient-dense breakfast options. Oatmeal is a low to medium glycemic index breakfast staple. It contains fiber to help lower cholesterol and promote a balanced blood sugar. And by opting for some fresh sliced apples or canned pumpkin, you can add some fall flavors, natural sweetness, and additional fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Make sure to top your bowl off with some healthy fats and protein from pecans and walnuts. These whole grain pumpkin waffles are rich in fiber from whole wheat flour and canned pumpkin and contain additional protein from the eggs and maple Greek yogurt topping. This will feel like fall with warming spices and flavors of maple and pecan. If you prefer a lighter breakfast, go for yogurt with a variety of toppings that your family can choose from. Opt for sliced fresh fruit, berries, nuts and seeds, and a granola that is low in added sugar for some added crunch, and a balance of protein, fiber-filled carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Visit foodcity.com for more fall-inspired recipes.